this the top?
I think, yeah, you're good.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the text is in the right setup now.
Na-na! Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Looks like we got a couple holes in the boxes there.
Yeah. It's weird though, because there's not a hole on the outside of this one. There's a box inside of a box!
This one's more decorative.
Look at that. 94.95 Celica ST205. Wait, I have a 204.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, I wonder if it's about
205
the
is the GT4.
same. I wonder if it was the best match they can come up with. Oh, there's a sticker. Look at that.
Okay.
Oh, there's more than one sticker, isn't there?
There's 2 stickers.
Ooh, that's fun.
Ta-da! Yeah, I need to check on that real quick to make sure that it's not going to be a problem with the suspension. But I'm not sure if the suspension on the 204s and the 205s are the same. Okay, we will look this up. Maybe my friends can tell me. Mama!
Ooh, look how shiny.
Fucking skaters.
Ooh, these have more of a copper tint than I thought they'd have. I thought those were going to be straight up silver right there.
Yeah, it's like
There's
copperish.
slightly copper on the dials there.
Cool. It even says Celica on it.
Wow, look at that.
It's pretty cool. These are them. That is great. I'm excited to figure out how to put these on. Wonder if you could tell what's the front and the back. Oh look, soft, hard. Na-na. It's pretty cool, babe. Yeah, there's like all kinds of adjustments here. Yeah, that's great.